y'all, welcome back to the channel, Jay So-tastic. So what? I don't know, we doing some upcycling, some sewing, and some DIYing over here. So the census have come in, the voters have voted. Y'all have voted on the black and white. So I'm going to do the black and white. I have them set up on my table. And I'm going to make pillowcases for my pillows out of the orange. And I'm going to see how that looks. And if they don't look right, they don't look right. But if they do, they're going to stay. Because I done already made some changes to the couch already. And so I'll let y'all see that later on in the video. But let me take you over here to this table right now so y'all can see what is going on. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I got them laid out. Okay, and I got to make sure that both of them have the same pattern, at least on one side. So, and that's what I'm doing. And I laid them out so y'all can see what is going on here. Okay, and so I do have enough to wrap around the other sides. They probably won't exactly match. But, and I'll probably have to do some cutting and stuff because I don't want to have to, glue all of that down. And what I'm using is some good old Mod Podge. How many of y'all remember that? We're going to see if that works. If it doesn't, then I do have, fabric adhesive, your normals, your E6000. So these are some other items that you can use if you want to. I'm going to start with this bottle because it's open. Let me make sure it's not hard because it's been in... I can't get this one open, y'all. So I guess I'm going to be using that. Unless I get somebody else to open it up for me. So, yeah, this one opens up and it's ready to go. So we're going to use that one, and we're going to start. I got my handy dandy little brushes from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to have to, I think I'm going to cut first. And then, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Let me go over here to my wall and grab my scissors that I can find now. And let me go and grab my mic so y'all can hear me. So I'm on the fabric to catch. Where's my little, I don't have my little holder thingy. All right. Now I can bring y'all down a little bit closer so y'all can see me work. Hey y'all, thank you for all the support you are showing to me in the comments. There was a suggestion about how another way to bring out the orange from the chairs, another way to make it pop was to go and get some artifacts that are orange and put them on the shelves. And yeah, so guess what, y'all? we going to the Goodwill. So let's go. All right, let's go find some orange. Woo-hoo! So hey y'all, we in the car and I am too excited to okay. I'm too excited to get ready and go to the Goodwill. Winston and I are in the car and we're gonna run to the Goodwill. I think we're also gonna run to Walmart because Winston needs some dog food. Sorry, y'all can't see me right now. Because the sun is out. Make sure my garage is closed. Okay. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down for real. So let's go, y'all. Let me see if I can turn y'all around so y'all can get the driving view. All right, hold on, y'all. Let's see. Okay, so I got the bases spray painted, y'all. They spray painted, and now on to the pillows. I decided that I still wanted to bring in a little bit more color, so I am going to cut these just simple, leaving enough to tuck. I'm just freehanding. Okay, y'all, so here's the moment of truth. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. If it's gonna fit properly. Just so you guys can get a good look at it, this is what it looks like. Here is the opening for the pillow to go into. So let's put it in there. Let's put it in there. Let go. Let go. Let's see how it works. Hey. Like I said, I ain't never did it before, y'all, but I'm gonna be doing it again. So, okay. We got a little bit showing, but that's okay because ain't nobody gonna see the back. But there is the finished product. So let's go and put it on the couch. All right. So next time, I could have left this out. I could have left this out, and then I would have had more closure. I could have left this out too, and I would have had more closure. Or I could just leave it out and do it like that. Okay, because I do have that there. I did leave some extra material in there. So, okay, so that's how it's looking. So let's go into the living room. All right, and let's put the pillow in place.